Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to export 4K vertical video in Premiere Pro. First, click on the Sequence tab at the top left part of Premiere, and let's go to Sequence Settings. From here, we're going to make sure that our frame size is set to 2160 by 3840. Click on OK, and hit OK again. Select your video clip on the timeline, go to Effect Controls, and you can resize the scale, or you can also right-click the video on the timeline and click on Set to Frame Size. After that, hit Ctrl M on your keyboard, or simply click on the Export option at the top left part of Premiere, and you can then change your file name. You can click on this location link to set your location and where to save your video clip. For the format, we are going to set it to H.264, and for the preset, we are going to select Match Source Adaptive High Bitrate. From here, let's expand the video settings. Click on More when you see it, and let's check Render at maximum depth and check Use maximum render quality as well. From here, scroll down and let's look for bitrate settings. For the bitrate encoding, make sure that you have selected VBR1 pass, and for the target bitrate, we are going to set it to 68. Just click on Export at the bottom right, and that is how you can basically export 4K vertical video in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.